Displaying a feast of colors, crafts, and performances, this exhibition of intangible cultural heritage projects was the largest of its kind ever held in the Far West region.
对口沿江19省区展出了115项，全江14个地州展出了94项，也就是209项。新疆的一些项目，比如说玉器、石刻彩绘、玛纳斯、江格尔等非物质文化遗产，将近1000件展品亮相本次非遗展。
The Mukam performance was very popular during the exhibition. It integrates song, dance, and music, and was listed in the UNESCO Intangible Cultural Heritage List in 2005. In 2010, Xinjiang passed regulations to protect the Uyghur art, the first provincial-level legislation to protect the intangible cultural heritage of humanity in China.
民族文化的保护在新疆历来是高度重视的。我们现在有很多的民族乐器村，村里面都有100多户人家在制作这个民族乐器，都在他们的门牌上都挂着他是传承人，是做热瓦普的还是做坦布尔的乐器的传承人。我觉得在新疆，这个民族文化不但不会灭绝，还会更好的发展。
Among the swarms of visitors, Wang Jiangjiang, 37, probably knows the most about Mukam. The man from Hebei province once started opera in Italy and came to Xinjiang in 2010, where he has interviewed performers and recorded performance for more than 3,000 Mukam artists.
我觉得这个音乐的话，它是具有世界性的音乐特点的一种音乐形式。从去年开始，咱们的这个自治区文旅厅的非遗处也在邀请我去做一些咱们民间的12木卡姆的调研、记录和整理的工作。政府现在也在推进我们的非遗和文旅的这样的结合，来通过非遗来引领文旅的发展，这样也能让更多的人了解中国，了解新疆。
Wang's current project sees him collecting video logs of folk Mukam artists across Xinjiang.
像我来新疆11年里面，我也是去了新疆很多的地方。从2016年开始呢，我们就开始对单个的传承人，这样的话，它就会形成一个像我们非遗民间这个音乐人数据库的这样的一个体系的东西。我觉得对于这块来说，从12木卡姆的保护和传承来说，是一件非常有意义的一件事情。因为首先可以记录在这个时期的我们传承人的这样的艺术的表现的形式和传承人的一种状态。这样的话，也会给我们接下来一些年轻的传承人他可以有更好的资料去学习、去研究，甚至给很多的这个创作者带来更多的这个音乐方面的一些素材。
Shacha County in South Xinjiang is one of the places that Wang Jiangjiang frequents. It's known as the hometown of 12 Mukam, with one national-level inhabitor, one regional-level inhabitor, and 23 county-level counterparts. Mullah Qadir Yahya, 40 years old, is one of the 23 Mukam artists.
Ben bu müzikini 91 yıl öğrengen, 91 yıl tatip. 2005 musabıqası kirgizib, şu yerda tanlanib, navoiy darajalik bo'lib, chilib 2008dan tatib, misha navoiydan berdigan ta'minotga erishib, oyda 800 ko'p pul berdi.
With the concerted efforts, the county has built a center to help protect and promote Mukam and facilitates research, exchanges, and grand performances. The center also organizes domestic and international performances.
Buningdan men ensirmayman, chunki bizni yetishtirgan ustamlar bor, biz hozir ustam bo'ldik. Bizning shogird bolalar bor, yetishtiryapmiz. Uningdan keyin shogird bolaning cho'qim shogirdlab tarbiyalab chiqdi deb o'ylayman. ensirmaymiz, muqam uzilib qolmaydi, keyingi avlodlar bor.